If you want to create a pop-up picture like this as you roll over each cell, this is how you do it. Select the cell where you want to create a pop-up from, right click, and then you select new note. In here, get rid of the existing tags like this, and then right click on the border of the notes. Do not right click on the yellow area. If you right click and go format comment, you can see that it does not give you enough tabs. You want to right click on the green border of the note and then go format comment, and by doing so you can see you got slightly more tabs here. Click on colors and lines. On colors, you're going to do pull down here, fill effect. In here you're going to select pictures, select pictures, and if you get this error message, it's fine if you're working on your local drive, which means your images are stored locally. So I'm going to say work offline and navigate to the directory where your pictures are stored. My pictures are stored here. I'm going to select this picture and click on insert, and after that I'm going to lock my picture aspect ratio because I'm going to adjust my height and width of my node so it doesn't look squashed. Click OK and click OK. Now adjust your height and width of your pop-up here like this, and you are done.